In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the 3 best air fryers available on the market today in our opinion. You'll find links to each in the description box below. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Imagine a busy family dinner prep, the SMIRLY Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 27 quart, humming under counter. Its stainless steel body fitting neatly in a small kitchen as it air fries a whole chicken while toasting bread for the kids. This convection oven offers 10-in-1 functions including air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, and dehydrate, with precision digital controls adjustable in 5 degrees Fahrenheit and 1-minute increments for exact results. The 360 degrees convection ensures even cooking, preheating 75% faster than traditional ovens, and the large capacity fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. The non-stick interior and removable crumb tray make cleanup simple, while the 5 dishwasher-safe accessories, baking pan, wire rack, air fryer basket, etc., add versatility for multi-level meal prep. Users love its all-in-one convenience, with one saying it replaced my toaster, oven, and air fryer for healthy cooking with 90% less oil. The downside is the larger footprint, which can crowd small counters, and the high temperature range, 80 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, requires careful monitoring for delicate items. This air fryer toaster oven combo is perfect for families or meal preppers needing a versatile, high-capacity appliance for everyday cooking. Now, picture a quick solo lunch in a small apartment. The Fritaire Non-Toxic Air Fryer Pro, 9-in-1 glass air fryer, on your counter. Its transparent glass bowl letting you watch a single serving of crispy fries cook without opening the lid. This 5-quart air fryer, with a heating element, offers 9 functions including air fry, recrisp, bake, roast, and keep warm, using Vortex technology for even cooking at up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with 90% less oil. The glass container is BPA-free and Teflon-free, doubling as a serving dish, and the included silicone mat and lids make it portable for fridge or freezer storage. The self-cleaning mode simplifies maintenance, and the compact design with nested storage fits tiny kitchens or RVs. Users appreciate its healthy cooking focus, with one saying it made perfect single-serve meals while being easy to clean and store. The downside is the smaller capacity, which suits single or small family portions but not large batches, and the glass requires careful handling to avoid thermal shock. This glass air fryer is ideal for solo cooks or small households wanting a non-toxic, portable option for quick, healthy meals. Lastly, envision a weekend family gathering. The Tixixc 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer 4-quart and 6-cup on your counter. Its dual glass containers letting you cook a main dish and sides simultaneously, the transparent bowl showing golden fries and roasted veggies in real time. This air fryer offers 5 one-touch modes: air fry, recrisp, bake, max crisp, and keep warm, with a temperature range of 140 to 415 degrees Fahrenheit and a 0 to 60-minute timer for precise control. The 4-quart large container serves 3 to 4 people, while the 6-cup small one is perfect for single servings, both dishwasher and freezer safe with lids and a silicone heat insulating mat. The non-stick baking tray and high-temperature resistant PBT heating component ensure even heating and easy cleanup. Users love its portability, with one saying it replaced multiple appliances for small kitchens or RVs, praising the nested design and real-time monitoring. The downside is the smaller overall capacity compared to larger ovens, and the highest fan speed can be noticeable. This portable glass air fryer is great for families or small space cooks needing a versatile, easy-to-store appliance for healthy, oil-reduced meals. There you have it, 3 budget air fryers, all with links in the description box below to the product pages where you can check out more details and photos. I hope this helps you find the perfect air fryer. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video and thank you for watching.